Hey everyone, my name's Ryan. Welcome to Ryan Reviews, and in this product review, we're going to be going over the Scrub Mommy Cleaning Sponge. Now, we bought this product because a lot of our sponges they were smelling really bad, they were falling apart, and we heard really good reviews about the Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy products, so we opted to try one. And we like this product because we can use it on a variety of different surfaces. We can use it on granite. We can use it on bathroom tiles. We can use it on the floor. We can use it in the sink, uh, both the bathroom and the kitchen sinks. We can use it basically on any surface that we need to. I like how the product itself has two sides, one a very rough side and one a very soft side. You can also use the mouth of the Scrub Mommy to clean out spoons. That's directly what it was made for. We also like how it doesn't stink after several uses. We've been using this particular model for a long time, using it probably weekly, and it's still going strong. It doesn't smell at all. And I hope this brought some clarity to your buying journey.